Hey, now we're done this install. You want a coffee?
Sure, I'd love a coffee.
All right.
Well, I gotta adjust my heated hand grips. It's getting freaking warm out here. It's weird. People told me the trails were open today. I wonder what he wants. I wonder if he wants a double-double. We'll have to send him a text and see what he wants. Yes, could I have a medium regular coffee and a medium orange Fruitopia half Sprite, please?
We were just cracking up. Oh, I guess you're busy snowmobiling on the road?
So, you know, I figure I'll get it out, get it ready for the season.
Oh, have fun!
Yeah, could I get a tray for those, please?
What are you doing out here in a snowmobile?
What are you talking about? There's lots of snow on the ground.
Oh yeah, right?
Everyone keeps taking pictures of me and videos of me today. I don't really know why. I don't get it. It's like a beautiful day, and yeah, go for a rip.
Honest to God, we were looking at it, I go, wait a minute, is that a snowmobile? And then everyone's like, there's a snowmobile.
Thank you very much.
Later, man. Have a good one.
Literally put miles on these roller skis. What's your opinion?
I think the best thing I can say about the product is that they handle like how skis would on snow. I was steering on pavement, dirt, gravel, hard pack, in grass. You can reverse with them, you can go forward with them, you can go 60 kilometers an hour down Main Street with them. No, they're a great product. Quiet, smooth, running. And yeah, like you can handle like it's on the snow. It's pretty crazy. It's a weird, as soon as I pulled out of the garage for the first time it's turned it was like, whoa, because you're used to, you know, reefing the thing and having to kind of jump it around, but this thing handled like it was on snow.
It's like it's on tires.
Yeah.
It literally is on tires.